Have you ever wondered about the clever mechanics behind a simple revolving door? Today, we're diving into the engineering marvel that keeps the inside in and the outside out. Revolving doors are a ubiquitous feature in modern architecture, especially in high-traffic buildings. But their design is more than just an elegant entryway. A revolving door is an entrance system consisting of 3 or 4 doors that rotate around a central shaft within a cylindrical enclosure. You typically find them in airports, hotels, and large office buildings. The door is composed of 3 main parts: the rotating wings, the central shaft they connect to, and the surrounding drum or enclosure that forms the airtight seal. The operation of a revolving door relies on basic physics and mechanical principles to allow continuous traffic flow while maintaining an environmental barrier. The rotation is quite simple. Users push the wings, which are mounted to the central shaft, causing the entire assembly to spin smoothly within the drum. The central shaft is the core. Whether manually pushed or motorized, all rotational force is transferred through this axis to move the wings in unison. The primary function of a revolving door is the airlock principle. It prevents a massive transfer of air between the indoor and outdoor environments. Because the door maintains a seal at all times, it drastically reduces heating or cooling loss. This makes revolving doors incredibly energy efficient compared to traditional swinging doors. As one compartment of the door opens to the outside, another simultaneously closes off the interior, ensuring minimal air infiltration and dust entry. Safety is paramount in revolving door design, incorporating several features to protect users. Many modern doors include a speed governor or braking system. This prevents the door from spinning too quickly, ensuring safe passage for all users, including the elderly or those with disabilities. In an emergency, like a fire, revolving doors are often designed with collapsible wings. These panic breakout features allow the wings to fold open, creating a large, clear exit path. Revolving doors have evolved significantly, incorporating advanced technology for convenience and enhanced safety. While many doors are manually operated, larger, automated models use sensors and a motor to rotate, providing controlled and continuous motion for high-volume use. Modern doors also integrate security measures and accessibility features, like slower speeds or push buttons, ensuring compliance with ADA regulations and limiting unauthorized access. The revolving door is a masterful blend of mechanics, physics, and thoughtful design. From energy savings achieved through the airlock principle to built-in safety features like speed control and panic breakaways, the revolving door offers multiple benefits. It remains one of the most effective and elegant entrance solutions for high-volume buildings worldwide. Next time you pass through one, appreciate the engineering.